Ever tried zigzagging through a matrix and ended up totally lost? LeetCode 498 diagonal traverse throws a fun twist on matrix traversal. In this video, I will be walking you through the logic, edge cases, and the clearest way to solve it step by step. By the end, diagonal moves all will feel like second nature. Let's master it. So let's code. Guys, let's start and let's talk about our 498 question by the diagonal traverse. So in today's video we are covering over this question. So first of all we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say us, then we will start to solve it in the LeetCode camp. So first of all here he gave me some diagrams also, and this question is very small, so it must be easy for you and for me also, but let's see it is tricky or not. So now it has given me a one mxn matrix mat, and it is giving me one mxn matrix mat, and what we want to do, we want to return an array of all elements of the array in diagonal order. Okay, we want to return an array of all elements of the array in diagonal order. And this one diagram it has given me, in which he wrote it down one, and here he gave one arrow which is coming here up, and then here he gave one 2 and 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 to 4 there is the, in 2 to 4 there is the arrow has been coming down, in 1 there is arrow is coming up, and in the 7 5 3 the arrow has been coming up, but 6 and 8 arrow has been coming down, and 9 arrow has been coming in the up section. So what is that? So here you get one mat integer array in which he wrote it down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the output has been coming 1 2 4 7 5 3 6 8 9. Why 1 2 4 7 1 2 4 7 and then 5 3 6 8 9. Okay, if you see here this type of one output have been coming here. Okay, now let me tell you why this type of output has been coming here. If you see here 1 2 then 1 2 then 4, if I show you, let me make a one shape. So if you see here 1 2 then you 3 4 and then 7 and then 5 then 3, and then this type of, it is looking like this 5 then 1 2 3 4 5 3, that it is coming 6 8 9. Let me show you like this. Let me make a one more shape like this 1 2 4 7 1. Let me remove this shape and then let me pick this shape like 1 2 4 then 1 2 4 7 5 3 then 6 9 8. Okay, this type of one output has been coming here. If you see here like 1 2 then 4 then 7 5 3 6 8 9 8, this output has been coming in the diagonal order. If you do not know what is the diagonal order, so you go copy and then you will be pasted in the Google. So the we told you diagonal order, it look like this. Here you can see it. Here it has been given me one image. Diagonal order has been look like this. Here you can see it, and my also output I'm coming in this format. Okay, so now let's comment here our Word document. So now here he created here he wrote it down 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 input, and the output I'm coming 1 2 3 4. Why this type of output I'm coming? So let me show you. Let me make a one square, and then in that square let me make a one more square, and then let me give him the color black, and then 1 2 and then 3. If you see here, okay, let me do like this. Okay, now 3. Okay, so now let's see the next output. So the next output will become 1 2 3 and then 4. Here why this type of output I'm coming, let me tell you. First of all, let me write here 1, let me 2 3 4, let me write here 4. Now here the output I'm coming like this. Let me show you, like 1 2 3 and then 4, like this. Here you can see it 1 2 3 and then 4. and it is like same as it, like this. Okay, here you can see it, the same shape has been building like zigzag, and here it is also be zigzag. Okay, so this like this, and like I've told you in my intro, it is looking like zigzag. Okay, in my intro I have told you that. So that's why this type of output has been coming, like it is going 1 2, then it is going 3, then 4, and then it is going zigzag. If there are more numbers, so then it will be go zigzag like this. Okay, like this. Let me tell you how it will be go like this. Let me cross it and let me make it. It will be go like this. Where's my shape? Okay, it will be go like this, 4 5 6 7 8 9, like this. So you can see it like this, then it will be go. Here you can see it. Now these are the constraints which you will be used to solve this question. So I hope you understand. So now let's start to write the code and the LeetCode cam, and I hope I have fully understand this question. I think this is a little bit tricky but little bit easy also. Okay, another medium one question which we are solving in today's video, and these are the let's see the topic was about. Topic was about array, matrix and simulation, and total 6 lakh people have submitted. There's only 3,80,000 accepted, and 62.8% people has accepted this. So we are solving this question in the Python 3. Okay, and like you all the people know, whenever we start to solve any question, we solve all the question in the Python 3. So first of all, I define here a class of a solution, because this is a rule of a LeetCode camp. Whenever you start to solve any question, so first of all you define a class of a solution. If you do not define a class of a solution, so it must be give you then error. Okay, so def keyword define here find diagonal order, and this is our topic. Okay, diagonal order. So define here a square rounded bracket in which you write self comma mat, then list, and then list. Why I am defining list 2 times and why I am defining here integer? Because there are 2 lists. Let me show you in the test case. If you see here, there are 2 lists it has been made it. Here you can see it. And there, why I write here integer, then here why I write here integer? Because there are only the numbers. Okay, that's why. Now here I define minus greater than list int less than enter. So I define here m comma n, then here we found the length of our mat, okay, means mat, and then here we found the length of our mat square bracket 0. Now here I define ans comma r comma c equals to, then square bracket, then comma 0 comma, then 0, then enter, then d equals to 1. Now in this line here means r minus d and c plus d. Here we start by going up. Okay, in this line, enter. Now define here for loop in which you define underscore in range, and then here write m multiply by n, then semicolon, then enter. Define here ans which you will be append with mat r and then c. Okay, append means it will be join 2 things together, like I have told you in my many videos. R comma c, okay, equals to r minus d comma c plus d. Okay, now what we gonna do now, here we press enter, remove this thing. Okay, now enter, press one more time, enter. Define here if statement r less than 0 or r equals to m or c less than 0 or c equals to and semicolon, enter. Define if statement r equals to m minus 1. Then when you do this, define here c plus equals to minus d plus 1, and then define here in this line, here we undo our step and go to the next one. Here we are undo our step and then we are going in the next step. If statement c equals to n less than, sorry, semicolon, and then enter. C equals to n minus 1, enter. R plus equals to d plus 1. Then when we do this all the thing, enter, back. Define a statement one more time in which you define r less than 0, semicolon, r equals to 0. Then if statement c less than 0, then r c equals to 0. Enter. Now when you define these all the things, so you only want to do it, enter press d equals to d, sorry, minus d. Here we reverse our direction. enter back. Now here I return my answer, means here I return my answer. Now perfect, here we written our all the code. So let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so it is taking a little bit time because it is take a loading, so it is giving me the error in our line 2. Okay, so let's see what is the error that has been given me our line 2. Def find diagonal order self comma mat. Now let's see now the running code. By the mistake, now when I run it, so now it has been accepted. Now let me tell you what is the error. There by the mistake I write this. You want to write semicolon, okay? So we write second semicolon. You write first semicolon, okay? So I hope you enjoy this video, and our case in the case when the expected output is 1 2 4 7 5 3 6 8 9, my also output has been coming same. In the case 2, expected output is 1 2 3 4, and my also output and coming same. So here in today's video we solve this question. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, the submission code is also be accepted. Here we solve in the 9 milliseconds, and I beat 71.40% people very easily. As so easy solution in Python 300%. Subscribe. So here you can see it. In today's video we solve this question. So now anyways, let's meet you in the next lesson, next very amazing class. And if you want to view my profile name is Rayyan Biggs, so go and view it. And I have got the one badge also, here you can see it. So now anyways, let's meet you in the next class, in next very amazing class. And tell me in the comment section below you are liking my video or not. But anyways, let's meet you in the next class. So for today, goodbye.